Some dishes are made to impress, others are made to reset your senses. These glass noodles do both. Transparent like glass, but packed with citrus, umami, and spice. And the craziest part? You only need 2 ingredients: sodium alginate and calcium chloride. For the calcium bath, mix 1 liter of cold water with 10 grams of calcium chloride. For the noodles, blend 1 liter of filtered water with 10 grams of sodium alginate. Filtered water is important because minerals in tap water can start the reaction too early, ruining the texture. After blending, the mixture will be full of air bubbles. Let it rest in the fridge, ideally for 24 hours. I transfer mine into a squeeze bottle and chill both the alginate mixture and the calcium bath. Once cold, slowly squeeze the alginate mixture into the calcium bath using circular movements. Within minutes, the liquid transforms into elastic noodles. But timing matters. Too short and they break. Too long and they become too firm. Rinse the noodles in cold water to stop the reaction and remove the bitter taste of the calcium chloride. The noodles are ready, so you can go ahead and marinate them. For my marinade, I used soy sauce, lime juice, mirin, and chili. Cold, spicy, citrusy, almost like edible neon. Comment what marinade you would use for more flavor. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to support the channel.